you had to crawl. Just advised me to send it.
Alright guys, what do we think? Having fun?
Yeah, it's very good. It's very nice.
Alright, well, out here, we're going to crank it up.
Don't drop it.
Drivers fainting and falling over. Max was obviously taking a breath, but I don't think it had anything to do with the heat. It was more to do with a couple of gin and tonics the night before.
Oh, is this an exclusive?
I think they slowed down my heart rate on race.
So everybody else was complaining about the heat, but he was nursing a hangover as well.
Right, this is a livery reveal, and we've been talking about it the whole time, but the car obviously isn't here, so I think you've seen now. This is the big surprise. I think
That's not our car.
no. This is, I think, a livery reveal in only the way that Red Bull could do. Big round of applause. This is not.